Hello tie knot lovers, Mr. C's How to Tie a Tie. This is a extended video. I say extended video because actually it is, but it isn't, because some of these knots are very, very simple. The one that most people will have probably come across is the 4-in-hand knot. That's probably one of the most common one, that one and the Windsor knots. Like I said, when I first started seeing these, I only thought there was those two types of knots and that was it. And then I've been finding out, then it was about 80 odd, and then I found 400 odd, and then I found like 1,000 odd, and then stupidly somebody's done some research and found out there's over 682,000 knots, something like that anyway. So I'm just going to go back to basics. So we're going to start off with the 1-in-hand, the 2-in-hand, the 3-in-hand, and then we'll do the 4-in-hand, which is the most common one. Right, so let's take these apart and let's get started. Right, so starting off with the 1-in-hand knot. We have our tie folded and we have creating a loop on this side. And you want the tail shorter than the blade, and you want it just long enough so it actually just goes through, otherwise it's not going to hold it properly. And what you're going to do is literally, it's a bit like wearing a scarf. It's literally going to come through there, and then when you fold your collar down, and that is literally our 1-in-hand knot. And with the 2-in-hand knot, we're going to start off with the blade on the left-hand side, tail on the right-hand side. Blade down to where you normally end up wearing it, probably just below your belly button, but it will drop a little bit. And we're going to do a power pinch in the middle. Take our tail over the top, round underneath and out to the side, and then literally it's just going to go over the top, and then that's going to come round. And what I suggest that you do is you just fold it back a little bit and then tuck that under, and then that should hopefully hold your knot. He's struggling trying to get the collar down. Cinch that up a little bit. And there we have our 2-in-hand knot. And with the 3-in-hand knot, we're going to start off with the blade on the left-hand side, tail on the right-hand side. Blade again down to where you normally end up wearing it, somewhere between your belly button and your belt line. It will drop a little bit. So we're going to do our power pinch in the middle. We're going to take our tail and go over the top. And we're going to go round and underneath. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take it through the top and down, and I'm just going to just release this back a bit, and we're going to thread the tail bit through the loop, and then we can tighten that up, and then we can cinch that up, drop our collar, and there we go, simple knot number 3, the 3-in-hand knot. Right, so this is the 4-in-hand knot, and we're going to start off with the blade on the right-hand side and tail on the left-hand side. The tail is going to be a lot shorter because you're going to be tying it with the blade, and you'll probably just need to keep adjusting it until you get the correct length that you want the blade to end up at. So there's a bit of trial and error with ties and that. So we're going to start off with the blade's going to go across the top, round out to the right, over the top to the left, round and up and through, and then that's just going to go down through that loop that you just created. Drop our collar down, and then to cinch it up, if you hold the small or the tail bit, and then you can slide your knot up, and then you can obviously have this as big or as small as you want, and that is our 4-in-hand knot.